In this video, we are discussing about the next pest or next insect, Papilio demoleus. In last video, we are studied about the another two pests. This pest is about the pest of citrus plant. Name is a Papilio demoleus. In this photograph, you can observe the adult stage of Papilio. This insect is very harmful to citrus plants as well as their damage is due to the larval stages. The larvae are voracious feeders of tender leaves and defoliate the trees. Means they feed on leaf and all leaf get feeded and defoliation takes place. Means there is no leaves on the plant after attack of this pest. They eat leaves from margins towards the inside, leaving the larger veins intact. Means only veins of leaf are remain. Younger plants cannot withstand such a type of defoliation and get die. Newly hatched caterpillar stays in the middle of upper side of leaf. This location or this habit of this larva can be observed in this photograph, that is the larval stage which is present or stay at the central region, that is midrib. This is about the damage. The life cycle of this insect is seen in this photograph or in this slide. The adult stage lays the eggs, that is this diagram serially you can observe the adults, then eggs, then the D, that is larval stage, first instar stage, then second instar, third instar stages, and it is going on. All these larval stages are feeding on leaf and then enter into pupal stage. We see one by one. This adult is large butterfly having a wingspan of 7 to 8 centimeter. It has a prominent black and yellow markings on the wings. Hind wing has a crimson spot on the tail region. Crimson spot, the dark spot is there. This arrow indicates the crimson spot. Then on ventral side it has a eye spot. They are active flyers found throughout the year in plains. In 1 year, 5 to 6 life stages are completing. Hence, it is observed throughout the year. The adults has a egg laying capacity, means fecundity is 80 to 150 eggs, and eggs are small, round, smooth, yellowish and laid singly, glued on the tender leaves. These eggs hatch in 3 to 6 days. The larval stage, first 3 instar stages of larvae resemble a bird droppings, means the waste fecal matter of birds which are present on leaves or on the land also. They are similar appearance. They are brownish black in color with 1 or 2 white patches. Last 2 instar stages are green in color. Sometimes with a grayish markings 3 to 4 centimeter long and stout anteriorly with Y-shaped omasterium on the prothorax. They also emit a foul odor when disturbed. Larval period is 8 to 14 days in summer but can extend up to 30 days in winter. These larval stages can be best understood by the last diagram. That is, these are the first 3 instar stages which are look like a fecal matter of birds. It has a white spot or marking, and last stages are green in color. And then next step is pupal stage. These larval stages, the first instar stage of caterpillar is black with a black head and 2 rows of subdorsal fleshy spines. The second, third and fourth instars are dark with glossy dark brown head and white markings on 8th and 9th segment of larva, which resembles white patch of uric acid deposited in birds' droppings, helping them escaping from the predation while remaining in moderately open places. That is, these larval instar stages get protected from predatory birds or predatory animals with help of this coloring pattern. As the instars progress, this resemblance is lost. From the 5th instar onwards, caterpillar now turn cylindrical in shape, tapered towards the band, and additional black band is developed on the 4th and 5th segments with 2 black and 2 bluish spots on them. The 8th and 9th segments, which earlier provided the camouflage markings, now develop a brown and white band. In this way, larval stages are voracious and protection by the coloration. Next stage is pupal stage. Pupation takes place on the plant. Pupa, which is called chrysalis, is 3 cm long, greenish to brown in color. It resembles a twisted leaf like. This appearance is again protective one. Then this pupa is attached to twig by a silken thread. This thread you can observe in this photograph. These 2 threads are there, and this period is 8 to 15 days. Adults pests complete a 5 to 6 generations in year, and there is no hibernation. Total life cycle may take 100 days to complete depending on the temperature. Peak population occurs in April and then July to October. But throughout the year, population takes place. Its distribution, the entire Indian subcontinent, that is Southeast Asia, China, Japan, North Australia, etc. And all the citrus family plants are occupied by the citrus pest called as Papilio. In this diagram, all the stages, that is in first instar stage or this late instar stage or the pupa and adult one, all are present in this slide and you can compare them. Control of this pest. First is mechanical control, hand picking and destruction of larvae which are so prominent on the leaves helps to save the plant in nurseries. Then the chemical control, dusting the trees with sodium fluosilicate or BHC 5% or spraying malathion, endosulfan, parathion, phenthron 0.02% or lead arsenate 0.25% effectively control the pest or carrots. Spraying the spores of Bacillus thuringiensis gives a high mortality of caterpillars. This is biological control. Another ways are there. The egg parasites Trichogramma evensis and Petromonas and Telomonas species destroy large number of eggs. The larval parasites are also there, Erica, and these parasites feeds on larval stages, means at any stage, egg stage, larva stage, we can control this pest because it is important. It has a economic importance. The lime butterfly is economic pest on many cultivated citrus species in India, Pakistan, Iraq and Middle East also. Due to this, due to its history of successful dispersal and range extension, the lime butterfly is likely to spread from its original point of introduction and it is spread throughout these countries. Due to its capability for rapid population growth under favorable circumstances and its having been recorded to have 5 generations in a year in temperate regions of China, it is considered as a serious potential threat. The caterpillars can completely defoliate young citrus trees below 2 feet and devastate citrus nurseries. In mature trees, caterpillar may prefer young leaves and leaf flush. These harmful pests must be controlled with help of biological control, mechanical control as well as the chemical control.